Jamie Finn, To.Me is Telefonica's latest OTT service. Tell me more about it.
Yeah, sure. So actually, it's interesting. To.Me was an idea that we came up with, tail end of December, start of January, and it was a very basic idea. We said, what we want to do is be able to take all your communications and store them in the cloud. And that was actually the catalyst that started the process, that then is how we got to this really amazing, different user experience. Because it wasn't about making it cheap to call or bypassing something. It was really just about making a customer experience where they could have all their communications available to them in the cloud in a really, really cool and simple way.
And you say it's 5 services in one application.
So you can make a phone call, obviously. You can send a shout, so a little voice recording similar to what Voxer does. You can send a text message. You can share a photo, you can share a location, and one little known thing, which we're seeing bigger and bigger uptake, is actually you can share contacts. So I can send you one To.Me contact to another person, and then you can talk to that person. That's a new feature we have a little bit hidden as an Easter egg, but people are starting to really tie into it.
So you started work on To.Me at the end of last year. Where are you today?
So we're in version 1.1 or something like that. Basically, we had initial user feedback, why don't you have it in Spanish? So we were able to deploy it in Spanish just a week later on iPhone, which was amazing because you have to consider the Apple approval process. Once we did that, we started to look at other things, and we deployed Android as a follow-on. With Android, we were able to do English, Spanish, and Portuguese. And you'll see another update coming from us very, very soon with a feature everybody's been asking for, which is the deletion of content. And that's in the App Store waiting for approval. Should just be a few days.
What about new OTT services? What has Telefonica got coming out soon?
So the next service we're bringing to market is something called To Go. And To Go is really about extending your complete phone service and making it available to you on any device, anything that's connected to the internet. Similar to how you can use Facebook on anything that's connected to the internet, now you're going to be able to use your phone service on anything that's connected to the internet. We feel that's a fundamental change in the way customers will be able to engage, and we feel it's something that it's so obvious. 5 years from now, everybody will look back and say, oh, of course, that's what my phone service should be. And it's an interesting story. When we pitched it to the agency, we showed it to them, and they had to do the ads, and the very first thing they said was, okay, got it. Not trying to explain to them the concept and work through it, or why would a customer want this. The response was, okay, we got it, and that was it.
Now, To Go is restricted to Telefonica customers. Why is that?
So To Go takes your real phone number and moves it into the cloud. So it's not a copy of your number, it's not a second number, it's not a Viber clone, it's nothing like that. It's your actual phone number. We take that, we move it into the cloud, and then we allow you to receive calls on any connected device, receive your actual text messages on any connected device, and we give you a new service which is visual voicemail on any device. As of today, in the UK, it's really only on the iPhone, and that's okay, and actually the iPhone only on O2 UK. That's fine, but what we thought is it's such a brilliant experience, why not make it available on every other device? So we've done that, and so the combination of these 3 services we see as a complete phone service and making it available across all of them in a way that it's always in sync. So how annoying is it when you read a text message on one phone? Imagine reading an email on one device and then it not being marked red on your other computer. Wouldn't that be annoying? Well, we thought that would be annoying too. So what we did is we made it so that it works synchronously across all these different devices.
You spoke earlier of visual voicemail being part of To Go. I thought visual voicemail was an Apple service that was introduced with the first iPhone.
No, it's not. So the ability to listen to your audio on your device is not any issue with that. So we're making it available across all devices. In the past, the way the vendors had worked around the voicemail platforms, it made it so it was very proprietary in terms of the interface. And so we've come up with a different way of approaching that problem.
And your third service, To Core?
So To Core is more than likely the most important product that we have. It is the platform upon which we build all of our products. So similar to how Amazon or Facebook work, we have a platform, we build our products on top of it. The most frequent question we get is, how did you manage to roll out To.Me in 100 days? Well, the secret behind it is we had built To Core, which was this very robust communications platform, and we simply had to create the experiences we wanted for the customer, which we were able to do very quickly and then get it through the App Store approval, et cetera. So the cool thing about what we're announcing is that the 2 core functionality will be available to all developers all over the world to build their own voice and communication apps in the next few months through BlueVia, which is our developer program. So we're really excited about that.
Jamie, Finn, thanks very much.